Hi everyone, this is Jocelyn from Innovactive. In the last video, we discussed how diet and exercise can have a positive impact on metabolic health through optimization of insulin function. Implementing new lifestyle habits is challenging, but it is essential to any serious approach to metabolic health. People that make those changes may also seek to add a few key supplements having a demonstrated efficacy. There are many ways to influence insulin function with dietary supplements, but we need first to review how the insulin receptor actually works. After a meal, glucose concentration rises in the bloodstream. Insulin is secreted and binds to its receptor. This binding activates the receptor. Then, through a cascade of signal transduction and amplification, the cell produces glucose transporters at its surface. Glucose can then enter the cell. Supplements can work in various ways. For example, cinnamon acts by mimicking the action of insulin, triggering the same cascade leading to the uptake of glucose. Berberine is a supplement that stimulates the release of insulin by the pancreas. Finally, chromium acts on the receptor itself. It is a cofactor needed for signal transduction. The use of chromium increases the effect from each activated insulin receptor. But these supplements can only start working after glucose entered the bloodstream. There's, however, one supplement that works on glucose before it can reach the bloodstream. This ingredient is derived from brown seaweeds and is called in situ. Here's how it works. Carbohydrates that we eat, such as starch and sugar, need to be broken down to single glucose units to reach the bloodstream. This normal process involves enzymes produced in our digestive tract. Amylase first cuts through starch, then glucosidase finishes the work, also processing simple sugars. During normal digestion, carbs are converted to glucose in a matter of 20 minutes or so, and it shows up in the blood with a glucose spike and the release of insulin. If a meal generates a larger glucose spike, our pancreas will release a greater amount of insulin. In situ works in a simple manner. It blocks amylase and glucosidase to slow the conversion of carbohydrates to glucose. This action helps minimize the amount of glucose entering the bloodstream and then reduces the amount of insulin needed after a meal. One important advantage of this mode of action is that in situ can start working immediately upon the first use, while other supplements may require weeks to start seeing an effect. The best, however, is to combine these mechanisms together. There is one recent clinical study showing how a combination of in situ and chromium helps support metabolic health as part of an active lifestyle. The study involved 505 subjects, followed over 6 months, and found that metabolic health improved significantly on all 5 components when using this specific combination. 88% of the population needs to improve its metabolic health. I hope these short videos help you realize the potential and urgency of addressing this challenge. Contact me if you want any additional information about these human trials. Thanks for watching.